I'm Rich Sands. Currently, I'm the section administrator for the SAP section here at the South Florida Water Management District. The South Florida Water Management District is an agency of the state of Florida. We are responsible for the Everglades restoration and restoration of all land masses of 16 counties. We're also responsible for flood control across that region and water supply. The district's adventure going into SAP started back in the 2006 timeframe. At the time, we were ramping up for the large $2 billion Everglades restoration effort, and the old financial type system we had to run our business systems was run off of 4 different self-made codes that were a hodgepodge collection of Oracle and various other database systems. The previous system was a disjointed system that was run manually with people. And in order to take data from one database system and into a new project management type system we were bringing online, we literally carried computer disks from one building to another. This was not going to be able to handle a $2 billion construction effort.
My name's Derek. I'm a proposal contracts manager with Phoenix Business Consulting. We've been in business since 1998, so for 25 plus years we've been providing services to public sector clients all over the United States. When we first met with South Florida Water Management District, they had a lot of legacy systems that were in place. They weren't getting the full utilization or the full power of SAP S/4HANA. So we visited with them and provided consultants to look at their current situation, kind of see where they wanted to head, and then provided multiple solutions to help bring them from their legacy systems to the full speed and full power of S/4HANA. One example would be they had VEMA reports where prior it was performed by an individual who would spend approximately 4 weeks on gathering different data tables, pivot tables, and researching manuals to make sure all the data points were entered in properly and correctly. And that took around 4 weeks. Now we've provided a report through the Fiori apps, and we're able to generate that in about 2 hours.
I was in a position where I had 3 FTEs worth of workload that I needed to get done. Phoenix came into my office, and I was able to hire a certain individual that they presented to me who has been able to, for the past 2.5 years, fill those 3 FTE positions with 1 person's worth of effort. The new SAP S4 system and the support that we've gotten from Phoenix has allowed us to take our payroll processing system, which used to be a full 2.5 days of a single individual working about 10 hours a day. She's now able to accomplish that in about 3/4 of a day total. And we have payroll going to the banks days before we used to.
Biggest reason for choosing Phoenix Business Consulting is we not only understand the software, but we also understand how the software is applied. We have a great group of people that sincerely care about our clients' best interests. We work very hard. We constantly have the client in mind and kind of a whatever it takes to make sure that the client is taken care of.
I highly recommend working with Phoenix Business Consulting. What they did is they took our product after we did the uplift and they made it to where the system worked for us. There were intricate little pieces where we were told processing the invoices would get quicker. This would get quicker. We just didn't know how to fine-tune the S4 system. They came in and did that for us, and now we've got a situation where I just eagerly take on more and more automation across the district because they've taught us and have helped us automate the S4 tool.